Here's my truck. Another attempt at a video because our first one was kind of poopy. It's my wannabe hot rod ghetto cruiser. It's got a bullet hole right there. Authentic Detroit graffiti. And it's got some rust spots. I tried to put some rust reformer on it, but it doesn't do so good. It's not bad. Some cab corner rust. Every spray painted that S-10 and make the Chevy logo black. This is my car, some blacked out tail lights. Different stickers. This is the inside. One of the first things when you open up the door, this is that reflector paint that I was telling you about. It doesn't have, it's not snow, it's not rubbing off or nothing. It's reflector paint, so any light that hits it, you know, it does what it does and reflects off. Redone the doors for the most part. There's my dashboard. I redid all of this with shoe polish. This is the dashboard. I pulled all of that off. And I respray painted it black. Just a flat black inside here. My car always smells good. I have 2 air fresheners on the inside of every single one of these. Here's my head unit. Haven't got that center console off to spray paint it yet, so you can see kind of the original color. It was like a blue-gray. Over here, you can see some difference because of how dark that is and how light that top corner is, top left corner, the armrest. The shoe polish doesn't want to stick to that so well. And you can also see around the handle for the windows, inside that crevice there. It, you know, doesn't get to it. These are the floor mats. I tucked these ones in underneath the center console. They're originally for, like, the rear seat. But I tuck them under there, and then I overlap this one on top of it, and I have snow mats underneath them to collect anything else. So we're going to start my car up, and you're going to get to hear how loud it is. I'm going to see if I can, rev it up a little bit. Probably going to irritate my neighbors, and it's unfortunate. So I turn it on, and my lights come on. You can't really hear it right now. There you go, it's probably better. It's pretty loud. That's my head unit. I'm going to re-fiberglass this when I can. Because the kid before me didn't do a good job with detail. Just cut it out and left a little edge on each side. I installed these lights. So they both come on, both off, whatever I want to do with them. So that's my car. That side's a little dirty. It's the most used. Got some Armor All clean wipes for everyday spills. Got my Garmin GPS. The wires are all hidden for the most part. So that is my car. I try to keep it clean, doesn't always work. This is the center console part that I still need to redo, but it's really cool because this comes out and you can just replace any fabric that you need to. You want to attach, get some pleather and attach it to here and wrap it around there. So I have a subwoofer box that's covered with black felt and spray painted black. Unfortunately, my subs don't work right now because trying to fix my car, I didn't disconnect my amp while welding it and it fried my amp. So let's go to the outside and see if you can even see you can kind of see the lights on the outside. Not really, which is cool. All flat black except for like there and up. So this is my my wannabe ghetto cruiser. Got the bed of it filled up with snow because it's a very light truck. This is pretty much my view sitting inside here all the time. I love this truck. It's a piece of junk, but you can see I try to take care of it, and you can see right in here this camera's actually showing me a lot more spots that I missed than I have seen before. But if you do a better job than I have done, you really buff it out and you put some Black Magic vinyl conditioner over top of it and it really settles in. This part you can kind of see, it was, I wish I had before and after pictures, it was sun bleached and faded. So put shoe polish on it, it kind of turned it to a gray because it was white. And let's see if you can get one more shout out of my listening to it.